Hello guys. Hello, yes my love.
Hello. This is Bern.
Yes. So kamusta naman? Ano yung kamusta na na-release nyo na yung new single nyo ngayon, yung Laging Naroon Ka?
Sobrang grateful po. Like, isang blessing po sa amin and for every listeners, especially sa having 143, to be able to release an extended playlist. This EP na You Me and Love is very close to us kasi lumaki kami na nagkakaraoke and for sure all of these songs are like one of the hits of their time and it's a very good chance for us na ma-redeem din namin yung mga vocals namin for this and with our rendition and sa yun po, we're very grateful for this.
Ano yung mga memorable compliment na na-receive nyo after nyo ma-release yung single? Yung mga fans nyo sa social media?
So far po for sure mag-agree yung boys. Yung parang pinaka-tumatak po sa amin and very grateful po kami is yung kapag sinasabi nilang sobrang ganda ng vocal arrangement. Kasi grabe po talaga yung ginawa ng producer po namin. Even kami po talagang parang visually po kasi kapag nagre-record po kami before parang ginagawa mo ng producer tapos i-record namin. Pero this time po sa song, parang sa studio na po kami parang nagka-come up ng mga kung anong pwedeng harmonies ilagay kaya tagus po sa puso namin yung mga ganung components sila.
Ayun.
Siguro when people say na parang after a year na since we debuted, parang we're starting to really get the hang of our branding, what we really sell as a group, and I think important it kasi lahat naman ng groups go through that phase po na parang we really need to look for our niche, and we're happy and grateful whenever we receive comments like that. Mas kilala na namin yung mga sarili.
Saka siguro yung isang magandang feeling din kasi every time na kinakanta namin, ang daming tao nakakasabay kasi alam nila yung kanta. So asap sa feeling na parang, alam mo yun, nakikipag-duet yung mga listeners namin. Ayan.
Have you met the original singer of Laging Naroon Ka?
Haven't yet.
Pero you want to perform with the original singer.
Sana po collaboration.
And also with Zia for...
Yes, sana po, it would be a dream to be able to do that. And the mere fact po na they gave us a free go to do their songs, it's truly an honor. And we have so much respect and love for them. So hopefully po, marami namang possibilities na endless naman na ngayon. So
ma-meet and
hopefully
ka-work namin sila.
Duet.
Tsaka si Ate Caris na bahala lang.
Go Ate C.
Ate C na daw bahala. Tsaka si Ate E na bahala.
Paano ba yung naging process ng pagpili ng song?
Madugo siya pero I think it all boiled down to the idea of karaoke po. Like what Jeff said earlier, Filipino culture will always include karaoke, and the way we want to elevate OPM is through that. We want to pay homage to the artists who perform these songs na maalala natin our roots in OPM, and I feel like as a group we wouldn't be able to move forward if hindi namin sila mabigyan ng ganitong ma-pay homage talaga po. So ayun, we're grateful for our team in UMG and Republic Records Philippines, and of course with Cornerstone because they're able to assist us through the process of selecting the songs, and they gave us the privilege and the free will naman to be able to choose the songs, but at the end of the day it's them who know better for us, and we trust them.
Binigyan nila kami ng isang catalog talaga. Not just 12 songs, but it's like more than 100 list of songs, like compiled to a PDF, like sent to us the email. Ito yung mga choices nyo. So, sobrang sa lahat ng yun with the help ng Republic Records, yung management namin, they know what's best for us, and kami din, we believe in the track na ibibigay sa amin, then yun yung why we came up with the 5 songs.
Kaya binuhos din talaga namin po yung lahat na makakaya namin sa pagbuo ng mga kantang to. Kasi syempre, ito yung mga kanta na, lahat naman, I guess mag-agree, these songs are timeless and classic. So I guess yun din po yung isang pinagpapasalamat natin.
Saka shoutout rin kami sa mga producers namin, Kuya Rizzo, Kuya Gab. Thank you so much for helping us out.
Sobrang sarap nila ka-work as in. Sobrang sarap.
Pinapakinggan ko, bawat isa sa inyo ang ganda ng boses. So paano yung hatian doon sa parts na...
Bato-bato.
Mas po siya Usually po gumagawa po kami ng parang first set ng lineup and then kapag nasa studio na ay, Ben,
Isa makaget over sa
benta yung ano nyo. Pero ayun nga po, may first set po kami ng lineup na kung sino po yung kakanta. But then, kapag nasa recording booth na po, kasi minsan nakichange
Bigla.
Parang usually bibigay po sa akin ni Josh yung chorus and then parang hindi bagay, masyado maliit yung boses ko. So magiging ano po siya, i-audition po namin kung kanino.
Yeah, and what's good po sa aming limo, we don't have any egos naman coming into the studio. We really, as a team po talaga kami na parang we want what's best for the song. If in case in the future walang part si ganito sa ganyan kasi hindi lang nagpi-fit, wala po talagang nagkakasamaan ng loob. Like, we're just down to do what's best for the group. And that's the goal always.
Dati po baliktad mas gusto po namin walang parts. Yung mga
sabay-sabay.
Dahil po baliktad, mas gusto na po namin kami yung lead kasi mas humihirap yung harmonies.
Totoo yan. Yung harmonies kasi. Lead na.
Yeah. So initially, Kuya Josh is the one doing the partitions. Pero nung pag sumampa na kami sa studio, yun may changes and everything. Kasi iba naman talaga kapag you're in the booth na. Sometimes kapag andun ako tapos sobrang taas na. Parang ganyan. So he needs to I need to address it. Kami naman sinabi naman kaagad na, can you try this one, ganyan. So we give them all the chances then for the line kasi we believe nga na may mga kanya-kanya kaming boses and yung showcase na yun gusto namin yung anong mas best for the track in each line.
Minsan nag-audition pa nga kami para sa mga parts na binibigay niya.
Sino nag-ano?
Parang ganito po. RZ, try mo nga.
Parang ganito po. And then we decide with each other. Kami lang rin po. Minsan pag si Kuya Raizo and si Kuya Gab, our producers will also help us out. Parang, oo nga no.
Competition kayo.
Papasok po kami sa booth po isa-isa po. Tapos itatry namin i-record. Parang okay to
Kung kanina mag-best fit yung
kaya pumabot po kami ng 16 hours mag-record. Dahil sobrang po talaga rin nangyayari sa loob.
Ayun experiment niyo.
Yes.
Surprisingly po, kahit alam na namin yung parang yung strengths po ng isa't isa. Parang ang dami pong nagiging bago sa loob ng studio.
Ang dami pong lumalabas na pagandun na.
Kahit lalo na sa mga leads.
For ako na lang, di ba, parang na-realize namin ako na lang really suited Brian's voice. So, we really need to amplify his part sa ako na lang.
Sino mo ba? And yung...
Bye.
Sample mo.
Hi, Jamie from Soundcheck Manila. Nakita ko kayo nung premiere ng Disney. Disney premiere, nakita ko kayo. Tapos kasi I've been watching your video, so nagpa-picture tayo. So anyways, share ko lang. So do you guys do original songs then? Who's the roles? Are main composer? Is there a main dancer, main spokesperson sa inyo? Ganyan.
And what's gonna happen with your original songs since pretty much these are, recorded.
So for our roles po sa mga original songs, right now po, ang mga main composer po for now is si Jeff po and ako. And then si RZ po yung namin sorry. Siya po yung talaga yung tenga po ng grupo, like literal. Siya po yung gumagawa ng mga harmonies, yung mga complicated na harmonies, RZ yung gumagawa. Kahit tahimik lang yan. Siya po yung pinakamatalas ng tenga. And si Nico po yung sa dan. Choreographer.
Choreographer namin.
Siya po yung gumagawa ng kahit yung mga small dances po namin.
Wow! So nakasayaw din kayo?
Ito yung spokesperson namin talaga, ma'am.
Si George po yung
nasa stage na kami, ma'am. Basta yung
main dancer.
Pinakamadaldal.
Siya po yung vocal coach.
Wow!
Sobrang all-in mo.
Walang mahihain sa inyo.
Mahihain. Actually kami pong dalawa ni Josh, super mahihain po na.
Sa inyo, sa lahat kayo very expressive.
Oo, ako po expressive.
Iba't ibang personalities.
Iba't ibang levels.
Dynamics naman.
So yan, for our originals naman po, we're in the works with our label of course. We're just doing all of our promos for Yumi and Love of course, and on the side naman we have may mga nakabangko na rin po kaming songs that we are working on. We're trying to improve on kasi if anything after this EP we don't want to release anything that's not the best of our capabilities, and who knows, maybe for our originals we can play up with other genres. We'll see what happens kasi we'll have a studio time for that po talaga, and we really want to be immersed in songwriting and producing po.